Hi, I'm Brandy, this is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing the May 2021 Witches Bounty Box. This box has been gifted to me, but the opinions are my own, so let's check it out. Ooh. I recently did a like what I call a moon time reading, and I got Athena twice. Two different goddess decks and twice Athena. Shield of Athena. So she's been coming up. Let's see. Pearl of Divine Fire. Beautiful artwork. Shield of Athena. It smells, I can't identify the smell really. Ooh, we've got like a very dark beeswax candle. Black cord. Heavenly Hearth. Incense. Like the smell is familiar, but I can't quite place it. Like baby powder, I guess, is what my set thing is. Ooh, we got a hematite here. Beautiful. I love the color of the bag. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful. So it's like, we've got the moon here. And I wish I could show you like the stone. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, let's see. It is so very easy to fall into the trap of being tired, overwhelmed, or drained of energy. It's like they're speaking straight to me. Due to negative and low vibrational thought patterns. It is often that these symptoms tend to last throughout days, months, or even years. This is the great enemy of creativity, perseverance, growth, and attainment. When one is stuck on their journey, it can often be credited to confusion on where they stand, unable to step into their true and magnificent self, vibrating with energy, commitment, and an overwhelming need to act and progress. In this very special collection, we work with a very rare stone to reunite ourselves with our true purpose, revitalizing our perceptions and pushing us forward. The magical items in this box are as follow. Pearl of Divine Fire, Agni Manatite, Shield Pendant. A rare and uncommon form of tektite, Agni Manatite can be found in the island of Java, Indonesia. The Agni Manatite was created by a meteorite crash over the Indonesian archipelago. The name Agni Manatite translates into Pearl of Divine Fire due to how this special type of tektite is formed. The Agni Manatite is considered to be one of the stones of Krishna due to how its energies correlate to the Kundalini. Similar to Moldavite in some ways, the Pearl of Fire pushes transformation forward and urges us to start the process of tasks that have been placed on the back burner for too long, yet hold high importance on our personal path. This may include art projects, unwritten poems, books, or simply creating something that you have always thought about but have not had the inspiration to begin. Wow. Commonly referred to an initiation stone, the Pearl of Fire brings a fierce passion to our inner convictions, reigniting the creative spark that may have been easy to obtain earlier on your journey. We strongly associate this sacred stone with Athena due to its overwhelming characteristics of courage, morality, intelligence, education, and strength. It is so easy for us to get distracted by negative self-thoughts and low self-esteem. The Pearl of Fire is a wonderful companion on our inspired journey, pushing us towards stepping into our true self, brimming with confidence, skill, and excitement. While wearing this stone, you will often find that you have more physical energy than you usually do, ready to start new adventures and live life more fully. In addition to these qualities, the Pearl of Fire provides us with a sense of sharp focus, gifting us with the ability to maintain our flow state for longer periods of time. Nice. Wow. Shield of Athena, magical anointing oil, bringing a sense of confidence into your aura, as you take on difficult and strenuous tasks. The energies have been formed with Athena in mind due to her beautiful representation of wisdom and strength. As you cultivate your energy each day, allow this anointing oil to be your companion and ethereal friend. It's cedar, sandalwood, and frankincense, along with oak, ground sage, and lavender. Lumarian mini quartz. Heavenly Heart ritual incense sticks. Higher Self spell candle. Tumbled hematite, and the Pearl of Divine Fire Book of Shadows artwork. Wow, this is just absolutely amazing. One of my very favorite things about, I just wish that you could see like the light through this. Let me see. I've got a little candle burning here. If I put it in front of light, can you see the, like, it's not like solid black like jet or onyx. It's like almost reminds me of a smoky quartz. It's beautiful. I'm always impressed by how spot on intuitively they are with like where I am with my life and where I am with my journey and like what energies I need brought in. The Witch's Moon is on point with that. Always. All their boxes are really, they always deeply resonate with me, which is probably why I've been getting them for 3 years. I highly recommend this box to you. The quality of the adornments is very, very, very high. I wear them often, not typically to work just because I just don't do that there. But on my days off, I have been regularly wearing them with me. And I constantly get, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Somebody complained about a yawn in another video too. I am sorry, dude. I have a full life. I'm doing the best that I can, and I am sharing this with you because I want you to know what's up. But I am human, and I do yawn, and I'm not gonna apologize. That's a tangent. Anyways, they are on point. I wear these things out. People comment on them all the time, and just because they're beautiful, they're striking, and the energy is just so there. It's really on point. I wore one till it broke, and then I kept the pieces of it with me in a mojo bag. Thankfully I haven't broken any other ones yet because I was actually quite devastated when that one broke. But I digress. This is just beautiful. I absolutely love it. I highly recommend this to you. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon.